this like the older Colemans where you have to give it some heat time first? Or?
You know what? Normally you leave it a couple minutes and then turn it down. But it's a standard Coleman style single burner. Okay. Nothing real special. They're inexpensive little burner, but they just work. They're 10,000 BTUs and more than enough power.
Yeah.
Because you don't cook it on full blast. Put it that way.
Does it heat even all the way to the edge?
The heat is about a 9-inch circle, and then it's warm. It stops cooking. What happens? Let's say you cook whatever you're cooking, and when it's done, you can push it up the side.
Slide it out to the side.
And it stays warm, but it stops cooking.
Right.
That's why you warm the tortillas on the.
That's why they're just getting warm. They're not cooking. We'll let that cook just a little bit.
How easy is it to collapse this and put it back down in there? Does it take like no time at all?
It takes no time. You put it upside down, pull the legs off. They're eye bolts.
Okay.
And then you just put the pan inside, and the legs. There's a leg bag for the legs, and then you leave the stove on. Everything fits in it. If you get a lid, the lid will also fit in the bag, and,
nice.
and the gas bottles fit.
Do you have any recommended cleaning process?
You know what, the way I do it, if I get a little bit of grunge in the bottom, I'll put water in the pan. I'll turn on the gas, let it boil. As it's boiling, I use a spatula and just clean out the grunge.
Right.
Take it all out, put a little bit of oil. If you want to clean a little bit
kind of like a cast iron.
You treat it exactly like cast iron.
Okay.
So if you want a little bit deeper clean, heat up the burner with nothing in it, and then splash water on it, and steam cleans.
Okay.
And then put oil, like you would for cast iron.
Okay. That's easy.
And the more you cook on it,
the better it is.
Gets.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, just a few more minutes.
So you said that they're both, how much?
320, 325.
I think something like this makes sense because you don't have to carry all this extra cookware because it's all built in.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you know what? I had in my old truck, I had a drawer with a double Coleman pots and pans.
Well, and that's what we brought with us is a double Coleman.
This eliminates all that stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Tongs, spatula. That's it.
Can you put a kettle on top of it, or
yes.
like hot to boil water?
We have we'll put a Coleman style percolating coffee pot.
Right.
Put it right in the middle. Turn on the burner. It'll boil
Nice.
water.
Cook your eggs around
Great.
it?
Well, you could. Might make your when we get some. I think we're just about ready. Warm up.
You said that your tank lasts for how long?
You know what? It varies. You typically cook very low heat, and I'll go 3 or 4 trips and not run out of gas. On an event like this, if I was cooking all day, maybe, once an hour, all day long, they'll probably last about a day and a half.
Oh, wow.
It's surprising. I always go camping with 2 bottles,
Right.
and I never use the second bottle, but I bring it just in case.
Yeah.
It was our first time using our Coleman, so we brought 4 of them with us, and I don't think we've even got halfway through the first one yet.
Yeah, it's surprising how economical it is.
So if somebody was interested in buying one, do they order directly from you, or do you have?
Well, they can order it directly from us. We do have dealers around the country, but typically we ship it out. Or you can buy one here. I've got a few of them here right now. You guys ready for a little bit of taco?
Thanks for watching our awesome video. Make sure you like and subscribe.